In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quantity on Big Cartel. Big Cartel has positioned itself as a leading platform for artists and small businesses looking to sell their creations online. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of adding quantities to your products on Big Cartel, ensuring your customers can purchase more than one item at a time, if they so choose. First and foremost, you'll want to navigate to the Big Cartel homepage. This is your starting point. Here you will find an overview of what Big Cartel offers, but our focus today is on managing our inventory effectively by adjusting product quantities. Next, locate and click on the Login button. This should be straightforward to find, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will take you closer to your goal, managing your inventory. After selecting Login, you'll be prompted to enter your shop's unique URL. This is the web address where your Big Cartel store lives. It's how customers find you and your products, and it's crucial for managing your back end. Post entering your shop URL, the next step is to input your password. Remember, always keep your password secure and confidential. After entering it, you're just a few steps away from accessing your seller's dashboard. Following successful login, you'll be directed to the Big Cartel dashboard. This is essentially your control room. From here, you can manage every aspect of your online store. However, today we're focused on inventory management. Once you're in your dashboard, look for an option that says Preview Your Shop. This essentially allows you to view your shop as a customer would, which is invaluable for ensuring each step we take enhances the customer experience. In the preview mode, navigate and select a product you wish to adjust the quantity for. Think of this as a hands-on opportunity to walk in your customer's shoes, browsing your store, selecting items, and now ensuring they can choose more than one if they want. Upon selecting a product, you'll see the product detail page. Here you need to find and click the Add to Cart button. Though it might seem simple, adding products to the cart is the first step toward purchase, and making this process as seamless as possible is key to boosting your sales. After adding an item to your cart, you'll proceed to the cart page. It's here that you can finally adjust the quantity of the product. Look for a button with a plus sign, plus, typically located near the product quantity. Each click will increment the quantity by 1. This is how you'll be able to sell multiple quantities of a single product. That's it. You've successfully navigated the process of adding quantity to your products on Big Cartel. Remember, managing your inventory effectively is key to running a successful online store. Customers appreciate the flexibility of being able to purchase multiple items, and being able to manage this process smoothly can significantly enhance your store's usability and customer satisfaction. A few additional tips to keep in mind. Always ensure your inventory levels are accurate. Nothing discourages a customer more than finding out a product they've purchased is out of stock. Regularly check your inventory and update product quantities to reflect what's available. This not only helps with customer satisfaction, but also with planning your stock levels more efficiently. In conclusion, Big Cartel offers a robust platform for artists and small businesses to showcase and sell their products online. By understanding how to manage product quantities effectively, you can ensure a smoother shopping experience for your customers, which in turn can lead to increased sales and customer loyalty. Remember, the key to a successful online store isn't just what you sell, but how you sell it. And with that, you now have all the knowledge you need to manage product quantities on your Big Cartel store like a pro. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Here's to your success in the world of online selling.